Hey YouTube, doing a quick video here, calling it what's in the Rolex pouch, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to just do a quick video of an unpacking, sort of, not really, but I got this watch back from my AD. I had to take it in and have it looked at because the winder was sticking a little bit and it just needed some oil, and they gave it back to me in this pouch, and I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys what's in it. And anyone take a guess? Leave it down in the comments if you had a guess on what's in here before I take it out. Well, I mean, I guess after the fact you're gonna see what it is, so probably everyone will say, "Oh, it's it. I know exactly what it was." But anyways, so let's take this out and we'll take a look at it. This one is my Rolex Submariner. It's a 2023 model, and it's the Starbuck edition, I guess you could call it, with the black dial and the green bezel. I still like the name Kermit though, but this is what this is the one, or this is what came back in the pouch, and they have these like little cards. So Rolex came out with this particular edition, I think it was in 2021. Again, this is a 2023 model, and wears extremely well on the wrist, just like the black version. It has really wearability with really any outfit. Obviously it goes well with green because of the dial, but t-shirt and jeans, khakis, or even a suit, even a blue suit. I've worn this in a blue suit before, and it looks really stunning on the wrist. It also, you know, quite noticeable to people. With the green dial, it stands out a little bit more. So I have gotten some comments from it. This one still has the sticker on the clasp block. It's a little bit dirty on the inside here. They did not clean it for me. They just left it untouched, just added oil, and that was it. But this particular watch, I wouldn't say it's my daily wear, but I wear it quite often, and it's still in really good shape. It's a really fantastic piece, and I probably wear this, you know, when I go through my rotation, and when I wear it, I probably wear it for days, weeks at a time. But we'll do a quick wrist shot here for you. So you can take a look. Sorry about the socks. And so there you have it. Stay tuned to the next what's in the green pouch, or what's in the green Rolex pouch. Thanks a lot, guys.